just checked into our Hilton Bali resort. We actually are staying here for free, and this place is humongous, and it's probably one of the nicest places I've ever stayed, to be honest. We were originally supposed to be upgraded to a suite with a terrace, but they're at over 100% capacity, so they upgraded us to this room, which is still humongous. It's a family room, and it's free once again. So
ocean view,
great ocean view, and they decided to give us some treats for our honeymoon as well. So, oh, and listen, always got to complain no matter if you're happy or not. They gave us free dinner for the two of us. So, see the world save $1. I ain't paying for dinner tonight. And because I'm a Hilton Diamond member, I get free breakfast. So, I'm really not going to spend no money over here. I like that. Okay. So, we'll check in. Nice tub, look out. Still is a great view. Right here. Nice tub. And this is such a special day because there's even a wedding going on today. Look at this. What a beautiful wedding. Let's celebrate love. And here is the beach and the pool. Oh, I see the slide here.
How long do you
Two.
want? Just two?
Thank you.
Enjoy your time.
Take it when they're warm. And here is a beach, basketball court, pool area. This should have been us with this suite with our own pool, but they gave our spot away. I still love you, Hilton. Yeah, very big pool. Looks like it's a lazy river. Has a waterfall. Water slide this way. So you know what that means? Your boy gotta go down. Oh, let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Oh. I forget that it's chlorine water. I had my eyes open and I was like, oh, this doesn't feel good. All right, so I just went. Now it's time for the big chicken to go.
I'm not a chicken. I'm feeling it, right?
She's gonna go. All right.
I love it here. I love it here.
So it looks like the slide closes at 5. So we checked in just around 4 o'clock. And good thing we came right here because it's great time here. Now we're just gonna hang out in the lazy river. Come on, Liz.
Darren can't resist himself. He loves basketball. Okay, let's see if he's any good. Okay.
I'm done. One and done. You finished on a me.
You still got it.
So this is honestly a great family-friendly place too. So if you just want to come and just relax and bring the kids, this is a great place to be as well. Yeah. So many people here. Yeah. Fake beach. Well, it might be real beach. I don't know. It gotta be fake because it's a resort.
Yeah.
And here they also have a resort. Not a resort. A spa. You think it'll be better than Udaya?
I don't know. Test it out.
No, we can't pass it out.
Why not?
Liv, this is supposed to be a free trip.
It's our honeymoon.
Free trip.
Honeymoon.
We're heading to the waterfall.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Waterfall time.
I'm not going under.
You got you.
No, I'm not going under.
And this also has a beach area as well. Alright, next thing we're gonna do is the hot tub. Alright, Liv. What? I thought a whirlpool was a hot tub. This ain't hot. This ain't hot. Like, hit that red button.
Okay, and it also looks like there's a private entrance to the beach as well, so that's really cool.
All right. It's warm. It's warm. Wow. Yeah, this is warm. It's salty though. So Liv, what do you think about this beach?
Oh, I love it. The sand is soft. The water is beautiful blue. I love it. I love it here. We need to stay longer.
This is our last day.
Best honeymoon ever.
That's right. That's right. So we couldn't get the last one to work, but guess what? There's another one here. This is a whirlpool. Is it hot? How you know? Oh, this one's hot though. It is a hot tub.
Wow. It's like, it was really hot.
Yeah, this is hot.
It's like we got the hot springs, the waterfall, the slides. It's like we're on like a vacation already, like just here. It's really hot.
So here at the resort, they also have different activities every day. So please be sure to look at it so that you can have a better idea on what you can do or just to meet other guests while you're here. Also have a good fitness center. Pretty spacious. Treadmills. Yeah, great waterfall view. They have some free weights here. Cups of water. Weights only go up to, I can't even read it, but it's a great waterfall view though. And let's head to the lounge.
Ready, sir?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, and as Diamond members, we get free entry at the Nusa Dua Lounge here at the Bali Resort.
Alright, so we just got back from the Nusa Dua Lounge and it was really calm, low vibes.
Because of me being a Diamond member, we got free entry. They gave us a welcome drink. I don't drink, so Liv had 2 drinks.
I had both of his drinks.
She might be a little bit faded right now. But it was calm. We really didn't belong. It was like older, rich people that you could just look at.
I mean, we belong. We're classy people, so.
Just say we stood out.
Yeah, we did stand out.
But it's right where the villas are, so you can see the other villas, and the villas are beautiful. I hope that next time we come here, they'll upgrade us to a villa.
A villa would be nice.
But like I said, they gave us a free food and beverage credit, so we're gonna go to dinner for free tonight.
Yes.
Going to eat at the shore. Alright, so unfortunately we had to leave the shore because, boy, the shore is cold.
Breezy.
Now what I'll say about the shore is the ambiance was beautiful. We were right there on the water. The pool was lit up. They had all of this traditional Balinese decor, and there even was a fireworks display. I'm not exactly sure why they had a firework display, but it was cool. So we stayed there and we waited for like 40 minutes for our food to come. They packed it up. You know, Liv had to get a margarita pizza. I'm ashamed. I got a hamburger, but it was just because with the free meal vouchers, it was so limited. We put on our robes. We're gonna eat our pizza and our hamburger, and we're gonna relax for the rest of the night. Good burger.
Chicken? Is it chicken?
No, it's beef. Good morning, good morning. It is the next day here in the Bali Resort, and we had an amazing night's sleep. Just the room and the ambiance itself is second to none here. We're walking down to breakfast now because we started out a little bit later than we wanted to, so stay tuned, y'all. Okay, so we just left breakfast, and boy, let me tell you, no cap, I am not a foodie. I eat to be full, and to me, that was the best breakfast I've ever had in my life. It was an all-you-can-eat buffet. They had a soup noodle bar, they had Indian bar, they had a Chinese bar, they had an American bar.
They had all the flavors.
They had everything you can imagine for breakfast. I had vanilla chocolate, shaved chocolate pancakes. I mean, I had
He's overwhelmed.
Yeah, I had the mahi fish with the glass noodles and pineapple rice. Even in our other video, we went to the rice field and we learned that the red rice is more expensive.
We ate some of that.
They had a ton of beautiful red rice. So,
yeah.
Just the food itself, this resort is worth it. But now, we climbed up to the top and we're at the observation deck, and let's check out the views. Beautiful here, y'all. All right, so we just went down the slide. Liv was way too cold, so she said immediately she has to go into the hot tub. So here we are. So we're packing up, got to get ready to leave because we got a flight to catch in a couple of hours. Luckily, we still have leftovers from our free meal voucher. So I'm gonna eat that, I'm gonna pack, but the crazy thing that we forgot is that this right here is actually a glass. So we were using the bathroom and showering and stuff, but the people outside right here just could look at it. So just be mindful when you're in a room like this. Even though it's beautiful, you got to remember to close the blinds. But overall, it's been an amazing time here in the Bali Resort. I highly recommend it. The vibes here is family friendly, great food, and the service is top notch. It's my first time in a 5-star resort, and I will say it did not disappoint. So guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.